Hello, this is Paul Reiber of Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a black-on-black 2018 Kia Soul with the manual rear entry, wheelchair accessible, Freedom Motors ramp, wheelchair accessible conversion. This is a beautiful wheelchair accessible mobility car, hatchback. 2018, only 11,000 miles, like brand new, sporty and cool with aluminum wheels, touchscreen radio, backup camera. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can plug in your phone to the radio and your major applications will populate onto the screen of the radio. So that's really awesome. So your navigation and your Pandora, your music, all that stuff will pop up right in your screen of your radio. So this is an awesome car with the modern technology, USB ports, auxiliary, manual, Freedom Motors USA, rear entry, wheelchair, mobility accessible car. Here at Freedom Motors, we have a huge selection of hundreds of wheelchair accessible cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. This is a very lightweight. You just grab the handle and pull it down. Very easy and seamless, nearly weightless, effortless. See, it's spring-loaded, couple springs there attached, so it makes it very, very, very simple. Just a very smooth and easy motion to lower the rear ramp. We have an automatic ramp as well with the push button for an extra charge. We have an automatic rear entry with driver transfer seat available, so you're able to, on some of our models, enter with the push of a button from a remote key fob and then transfer into the driver's seat out of your wheelchair and be on your way with virtually no help from anyone whatsoever. This is a brand new conversion on a car that's like brand new. Only $29,995. Pretty low price for a wheelchair accessible vehicle. We have vehicles ranging from around $11,995 for trade-ins, for older, higher mileage trade-ins. We have ranging from $11,995 all the way up to over $80,000 for new Suburbans and Yukons. So we have a lot of different options. We have driver side entries. We have passenger side entries, rear entries. Lots of options here at Freedom Motors. Check out our entire inventory at freedommotors.com. Look at our YouTube page and watch all the cool walk-around videos we have of all the different kind of models that we have converted here. Please hit the subscribe button on the YouTube page so you can stay up to date with all the latest and greatest walk-around videos and all the cool vehicles we convert as we go along. We're always doing new things and experimenting and trying new types of vehicles. We've converted in the past PT Cruisers and Honda Elements and Toyota Scions. We currently have Kia Sorentos, Kia Souls like you see here. We have Chevy Suburbans, GMC Yukon XLs, Chevy Silverados, GMC Sierras. We now have four-wheel drive trucks, Z71, awesome four-wheel drive pickup trucks and Suburbans that you can drive from your wheelchair or ride up front in the passenger seat. Lots of different options here at Freedom Motors. We've been in business for over 30 years, and we dedicate our lives to making lives of folks in wheelchairs and with mobility needs, making their lives a little bit more easier and to drive around in style, in a cool car, trucks, SUVs, crossovers. Not just a minivan anymore. We're more than a minivan. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call toll free, 1-800-625-6335. We're located in Battle Creek, Michigan. We have nationwide, coast-to-coast delivery options. We offer free in-house demonstrations as well. If you are in the market, check out our whole entire inventory, hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles at freedommotors.com. Check out our YouTube page for all of our awesome walk-around videos. Beautiful 2018 Kia Soul, sporty with cool aluminum wheels, fog lamps, remote keyless entry, manual rear entry, Freedom Motors conversion right here at Freedom Motors in Battle Creek, Michigan. Gorgeous vehicle. Please give us a call if you are in the market. We have financing options up to 10 years, so you can make payments very affordable. In the 2018 model, you got vehicles here in stock that are like brand new, and they're amazing deals. Only $29,995 for this vehicle. Give us a call if you're in the market, 1-800-625-6335. Thanks so much for watching my video, and have a great day.